SCS, and I'm back with another one. Hey, we got Grand National here for digital dash install. This thing super clean inside and out. The dash is not working at all. Call me, say find me a dash for a GNX or a Regal Karlous Miller. I found it. And then the install, you said, hey, could you install it too? I was like, shoot, perfect timing, because I have no cards. This is something I can do in a day or two. All right, here this bad boy go. Y'all finna see right here. Y'all finna see. That's what the dash doing. Tripping. It's tripping. Nothing worked. Can't see nothing. So somebody ran a temporary boost gauge or a permanent boost gauge. More so permanent, and then a temp. So I always try to say your temp and oil is something you want to always try to see. But yeah, can't see the speed, can't see really much of nothing. So I found a dash for it. Yep, found it for the car. This gonna be a pretty simple, pretty quick install. So be able to see everything: volts, fuel, oil, temp, tack, and speedo. So somebody put the odometer temp gauges in there. So I might have to take it off, and then that one not gonna work when it's in the pillar, because I don't want to be doing no drilling and tapping into the motor anyway. Then you're gonna have to take the intake off, clean it, and all that crazy stuff. So more than likely I'm just take that one off, and then he can convert this to a one gauge pillar, and she'll be done with it. So I'm about to put this boy in the shop and make sure, it should though, make sure this piece fits over everything like it should. Yeah, everything line up like it's supposed to. And shoot, it look good too, even before the plastic get peeled off. So I'm about to go ahead and unbolt this boy, and then get everything set, so when I come in here later on, it's actually family time right now. I'm gonna install this, just the hard part, the hard actual gauges part, and then have everything else to where I'm ready to bolt in and wire up. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'll put the new oil, y'all see it down there. Let's try to zoom in. I have to, up in this area right here, cover the radiator hose, because it is on the actual line, and that is because the way that the adapters and stuff are made, they stick out farther than oil and stuff. So like when you see on small block stuff, it's usually on the water neck, straight up, on the block straight up, in the 350s, 305s, the small and big block Chevy stuff. Yeah, I don't work on Fords and nothing really newer, so I don't really know how those go. But I know like LS stuff, same thing. Stuff sticks straight out or straight up, and these on angles, so it's kind of made everything a little bit difficult. The water came straight out. The oil is on the angle and it's touching the water hose, so I'm gonna get something to cover the water hose, and then y'all can see the temp. I folded the wire back because it's kind of close to the turbo, so I don't even want to even chance it touching. Okay, baby. Yeah, man, we back in here the next day. I got everything mechanically done, so I'm only in the inside. All right, y'all, so everything hooked up like it should be. I have to go and troubleshoot the tach, oil, and fuel. So 3 of the 6, like. The fuel was in whatever color it said, and when I looked it up in the back, the oil is connected, but even when it started, it's still showing no pressure. Temp works like it should, and like I said, the tach, I don't have nothing, so I gotta do some research and test a couple wires and make sure I can get all that working. I try my best to get all of the gauges working. There's only been one instance where it hasn't happened, and that's with J Malcolm car. But we still gonna get that. We still gonna get it 100%. You know, I'm just going off him when he get the stuff for transmission and we figure out the oil port situation. But yeah, let me just keep troubleshooting, man. Okay, y'all. So I showed y'all where the pink wire that's supposed to be in the thing wasn't the color that it's supposed to be in. So I came back here, test the center unit. So GM cars 0 to 90. So as long as it's in that range, that'll give you like the fuel level. So this is probably between a quarter and half a tank. So that's what we're looking for when I connect it. So everything working here. All right, so yep, we got the fuel. Just like I said, between half and a quarter. I know from the ohms. So next, we'll focus on the tach. The oil, I ain't gonna even lie, I'm completely lost on the oil. I'm about to have to but take the back seat out, run this wire all the way around, front to back. All right, man, SES, I'm finally finalizing this car, man. This is something different, bro. This is a 6-cylinder turbo, wiring different from a lot of GM cars. So I was a little bit scratching my head. I left it alone for 2 days. One of the days the power went out, so I couldn't come in here. And the other day, I was tired as hell, so I just couldn't come in here because I was tired. That's why I be seeing like, that's why I really don't want to get a shop with a rent, because I ain't gonna tell how I'm be feeling. Like, I don't want to be stressed out over this because I really enjoy doing it, but I ain't trying to be getting anxiety and all that. Oh, gotta make my rent and all that. I ain't trying to be going through all that. All right, y'all can see the tach. It was working before the kill switch started doing this thing. Maybe I had to close the door. There's so many different things and stuff you gotta do for this stuff, man. Let's see. Point at the... Nope. Like when this light in the car cut on, then the kill switch will be working. I try to close the hood. Put my feet on the parking brakes. All kind of stuff. You just cut off when you want. Look, the light on. It's gonna start near thing. See? That's weird. Hey, see it's running. It should be over here. It's over there. Focus. When I looked on the dash, it's sitting at the same thing by 11. That's the issue. That's why I kept cutting off him. I was still in charge. Man, I'm tired as hell. I just got all that off my trailer. I think like 65 bags, 50 pounds each, heavy as hell. So this whole back area about to be gated to match or to connect to the other gate. So I got a whole row of cars back there. I'm hoping I can have about 3. Yeah, I'm hoping that I can stick 3 in that corner, right? And then that white Monte Carlo about to be gone. And then so trade 1. And then I had 2 cars outside. 2 cars outside that 1 row. I'm trying to get rid of stuff, man, because I done made it up in my mind, man. I don't want to put 25,000 in every car I touch. So two of them box Chevys, the gold one and that black one. I'm gonna end up selling those, but I'm gonna do a little something to them first. Get ready to put it on the trailer now. I had to get all the stuff off. I'm gonna take this charger with me, battery tester with me, so I can show them what's going on with it. My pliers, everything else pretty clean. I'm gonna strap it down, and then I gotta go get my car. I left my car at work, so I gotta go get that. But I'm about to put my charger in. Yeah, this is the second one I bought this year. I got a warranty on this one. My last one, I started the car and the wires tore up from the fan shroud. So I'm gonna just take this off here, and it's gonna start. And I see exactly what the problem is. Got everything working. This thing act like it got a clutch. You gotta actually hit the gas for it to go up a hill. For it to go in reverse, I ain't mean up a hill.